So we have here question 2, which says that the length in centimeters of 100 steel bars are distributed as shown in the table. So we have the table, we have length in centimeters, and then we have numbers of bars. So between 3 and 35, we have 7 bars. Between 36 and 38, we have 12, and then between 39 and 41, we have 22 bars. Between 42 and 44, we have 36. Then 47, 45 to 47, we have 14. And then lastly, from 48 to 50, we have 9 bars. We are required to determine the median, mean, standard deviation, and mode. So we shall say solution. So the first thing is for us to rearrange the given table. So we shall have class, and then so in the classes we have type 3, type 5, then type 6, type 8, then type 9, 41, then 42, 44, 45, 47, then 48, 50. So those are the classes that we have. And then we shall require to get the midpoint of the classes. So the midpoint of the classes will be our x. So if you get the midpoint, you take that 3 plus that 5, then divide by 2. So this will be that 4, that 7, 40, 43. Then you have 2 classes. So 42, 44, 43, 45, 47, 46, 48 to 50, 49. So those are the midpoints of the given classes. Then we shall now require the frequency, the column for frequency. Frequency, the first class is 7. Frequency, the second class is 12. Then 22, that's 6, 14, and then 9. Now, for us to get the median, we shall require the cumulative frequency column. We shall require that column. So here we have 7. 7 plus 12, 19. 19 plus 22, 41. 1 plus that 6, 77. 77 plus 14, and 1 plus 9, 100. Okay, so once we have the cumulative frequency, we can now get the median. Median is given by L plus N over 2 minus C over F times I, the class interval. Now, N is the total frequency that we have. L is the lower class limit of the median class. F is the frequency of the median class. And then this is the class interval, the class interval. So what we need to do is now to identify the median class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 classes. Now, for us to identify the median class, we shall use the cumulative frequency. Remember, we have the total frequency that is 100. So the median class will fall at the 50th position. The 50th position will give us the median class. Now, the first class, we have 7 bars. Then we have, remember here we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the second class we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Then in this class, 39, 41, we have 20, 21, 23 up to 41. Then in this class 42 to 44, we have 42, 43, all the way up to 77. So you can see that 50 falls in this. Therefore, this will be our median class. Median class. (42 to 44). Now, we say that L is the lower class limit of the median class. So the lower limit here is 1.5. The upper limit will be 44.5. Therefore, our L equals to 41.5. Our N is 100. Say we have set the cumulative frequency above the median class. Now this is the median class. So the cumulative frequency above the median class will be 41. 41. It's above this one, cumulative frequency. And then F is the frequency of the median class. That's 6. This is the frequency of the median class. That's 6. And then this is the class interval, is the upper limit minus the lower limit, 44.5 minus 41.5 is equals to 3. Therefore, once we have this, we simply insert in the formula. So median will be equal to 41.5 plus 100 over 2 minus 41 over F, that's 6, times 3, which equals to 41.5 plus, this is 50, minus 41 over 36 times 3, which equals to 41.5 plus, this is 50 minus 41 is 9 over 36 times 3. So here we can calculate that. We have 9 divided by 36 times 3. So we have 41.5 plus 0.75, which is equals to 4 42.25 is our median. Is our median. So the most important thing is to get the median of any given group data. So the first thing is for you to identify the median class. Very important. Once you identify the median class, then of course this is the formula that you normally use. So L is the lower limit of the median class. N of course the total frequency given. C is the cumulative frequency above the median class, the class level, and F is the frequency of the median class. Again, cumulative frequency column is very important because it's the one that you use to identify the median class. So let's see how we can also calculate the mean. Now for us to calculate the mean, we shall also add another column where we now multiply frequency times x. Frequency times x. So our x is this, frequency is this, we multiply the two columns and we record in that column. So the first one we have 7 times that 4. We have 238, and then we have 37 times 12. We have 444. Then we have 40 times 22. We have 80. Then we have 43 times 56. 1548. Then 46 times 14. 644. Then 49 times 9. We have 441. Then of course we shall take summation. Now get the sum of this and record here, and also the sum of frequency. This is 100. And this one we have. Let us add, we have 441 plus 644 plus 1548 plus 880 plus 444 plus 238. We get 4195. 4195. Then we know the mean is given by summation of f of x over summation of f. So this will be equal to 4195 over 100, which equals to 41.95, approximately 42. So our mean approximately equals to 42. So that is our mean. It's given by summation of f of x over summation of f. So we have gotten this and then that. also calculate the mod. Can also calculate the mod. Mod equals to L plus into L plus F1 minus F1 over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. That is mod. Now, L is the lower class limit of the model class. F1 is the frequency of the model class. F0 is the frequency above the model class. F2 is the frequency below the model class, and I is the class size. Now we need to identify the model class. Now for us to identify model class, of course we shall use the frequency interval to identify the class where we have the highest number of items. For example, this is 7, this is 12, 22. So the highest items are at 6 here. This is the highest number of steam bus. Therefore, 42 to 44 will be our model class. Model class will be 42 to 44. That is our model class. So our L will be equal to now 41.5, the lower limit of the model class. Then F1 is the frequency of the model class. So frequency is 36. Then F0 is the frequency above the model class, which is 22. And then F2 is the frequency below the model class, which is 14. And then, of course, this is the upper limit minus the lower limit. So you take 44.5 minus 41.5, which equals to 3. Therefore, mod will be equal to now L is 41.5 plus now into 36 minus F1 is 22. Then over 2F1. F1 is like 6 times 2 to 72. Minus F0 is 22. Minus F2 is 14. Then of course times 3. So this equals to 41.5 plus 36 minus 22. That is 4. We have 14 over 72 minus 22 minus 14. So this is that 6 and times 3. So this equals to 14 divided by that 6 times 3, then plus 41.5. So 42.666. So that is our mode. Our mode is 42.66. So again, to get the mode, the most important things for you to understand the formula, and then also now how to identify the module class. Once you identify the module class, then getting the values of F1, F2 becomes very easy. Okay. Now we are done with the mode. So we are making the standard deviation. Now for us to get the standard deviation, we need to add a few columns to assist us calculate the standard deviation. Now we shall require a column where we have x minus x bar. X bar is our mean. Then we shall also require a column where we now square this, so it will be x minus x bar. Then we square that. Then we shall require the last column. We now multiply this with the frequency. Now multiply with the frequency. So our x bar, we say it's approximately 42. 42 is approximately our mean. Then we can fill these columns. So x minus x bar, our x bar is 42. Our x here is, we have 34 minus 42. Negative 8 times 7 minus 42. Times 7 minus 42, we have negative 5. 40 minus 42, negative 2. 43 minus 42, 1. 46 minus 42, we have 4. Then 49 minus 42, we have 7. 49 minus 42, this is 7. So we square this and record in this column. So this will be 64. Negative 8 squared 64. Negative 5 squared 5. Negative 2 squared we have 4. 1 squared 1. 4 squared 16. 7 squared 49. Now we now take this and multiply with the frequency and record it there. So it will be 64 times 7. 4 times 7, we have 448. And then 25 times 12. 300. Then we have 4 times 22, 88. 1 times 36. 36, 16 times 14, 24. Then you have 49 times 9, 1. So once we have this column, then we get summation of what? Summation of f of x minus h bar square. We now add this column and the row here. So we have 441 plus 224 plus 36 plus 88 plus 300 plus 448. This is equal to 15 and 7. Now once we have this, we get the variance. Variance equals to summation of f of x minus h bar squared over summation of f. Now summation of that we have 15 and 7 over summation of f. This frequency is 100. So this equals to 15.37. So that's our variance. Then standard deviation is equal to the square root of what? Variance. Standard deviation is equal to the square root of variance. Therefore equals the square root of 15.37. Square root of 15.37. So 3.92. So 3.92 with our standard deviation. So we have answered the question. We have gotten the median, the mean, the mode, and the standard deviation. So if at all you have any question concerning statistics, please don't mind. You can always SMS me or ask me through my YouTube channel or my email address, then I'll be able to respond to it. Otherwise, thank you for listening and watching.